Ripley.
Jeez.
Hey.
Hello.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
That's liquor.
Monument in 1909 to save the declining Earth.
How to get out with you?
Oh my.
Easy surprise.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Не надо. Ты. Me, sexy. You're not gonna react? Oh. No.
I'll give you my address.
Matters the most. Not only do you have a good
What happened?
Info.
Oh.
In there, show it to me. Show it to me.
Oh, it's cold. Hey.
Well, it's just your demise.
Ender, what?
Hey, Spacey? Hello? Ow! No!
Yo. Oh.
Ready, meters?
Couple is going to have to come right.
It's not that serious.
It's gonna be hot.
Is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. I'm not just talking like this.
Oh my god! One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
Stop jumping on my sweater.
He could do it if he tried.
Excuse me.
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
I do ba do ba do ba do ba do.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Get off my car.
We have to do pictures so that you can go get adopted. No.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Said you coming out?
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow. Zoe.
Me encanta para que haga su chamba con la mariposa. Is it time for dinner?
Honey.
Can you hold the fuck?
What now? Okay, no.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
¡Ay, estrella! Mamá la perra.
Bagel, no! Bagel,